We'll guide you through how to upload files in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your account credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on the Files option to navigate to your main Dropbox storage area. Now, to upload a file, look for the Upload button, which is usually located at the top of the page. Click on Upload and you'll see two options, Files or Folder. Choose Files if you want to upload individual files, or Folder if you want to upload an entire folder of files at once. If you choose Files, a File Explorer window will open up on your computer. Browse through your directories and select the file you want to upload, then click Open. If you selected Folder, you'll need to select the folder and then click Upload to start the process. Dropbox will handle the rest and automatically upload the selected files or folder to your storage. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status, and once it's complete, your files will appear in your Dropbox account. A quick tip, if you're uploading large files or folders, make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Don't forget to organize your files into folders within Dropbox for easier access later. And that's it, you're all set with uploading files to Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.